Welcome to Mathematics Classes by Nikita. So as you all know, we were doing the NCERT exemplar of chapter 5, that is complex numbers, and we have done till question number 23. So in today's video, I'll start with question number 24. So question number 24 says, if Z and W are two complex numbers such that mod of Z into W is equal to 1 and argument of Z minus argument of W is equal to pi by 2, then you have to show that Z conjugate into W is equal to minus 1. Okay. So question number 24. So first of all, what is given? So given is that mod of ZW is equal to 1 and argument of Z minus argument of W is equal to pi by 2. And what you have to show? You have to show that Z conjugate into W is equal to minus iota. Now first of all, since it is given in terms of argument, so I will write the polar form of these two complex numbers. So start with let Z be equal to mod Z cos theta 1 plus iota sin theta 1 and W be equal to mod of W into cos of theta 2 plus iota sin of theta 2. Okay, now what we will do is, given is that theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. Keep this in mind and consider the expression Z conjugate into W. So this will be equal to mod Z cos of theta 1 minus iota sin theta 1 into, so this is into mod of W cos of theta 2 प्लस आयोटा साइन थीटा 2. ठीक है, अब इसी को हम सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे एंड वी विल गेट माइनस आयोटा. नाउ दिस थिंग कैन बी रिटन एज दैट दिस थिंग इज इक्वल टू mod z into mod w and then in bracket you have, I can say that this is cos of minus theta 1 plus iota sin of minus theta 1 okay. So this is in multiplication with cos of theta 2 plus iota sin of theta 2. I know that this is equal to 1 mod z into mod w. It is already given in the question. Okay. So this is z conjugate into w. And you know there is a formula which says that that cos A plus iota sin B into cos C plus iota sin D is equal to cos of A plus C plus iota sin of B plus D. तो आर्ग्यूमेंट जो होते हैं ऐड हो जाते हैं जब भी आप इस टाइप के एक्सप्रेशंस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो देयरफॉर आई विल गेट cos ऑफ थीटा 2 माइनस थीटा 1 प्लस, अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला याद नहीं रहता तो आप पूरा प्रॉपर मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो एंड अल्टीमेटली आपको यही मिलेगा. ठीक है, प्लस आयोटा साइन ऑफ थीटा 2 माइनस थीटा 1. नाउ वन मोर थिंग वॉज गिवन टू अस. इट वॉज गिवन दैट थीटा 1 माइनस थीटा 2 इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे मेरे पास क्या है, थीटा 2 माइनस थीटा 1. सो देयरफॉर दिस विल बी कॉस ऑफ माइनस पाई बाई 2 प्लस आयोटा साइन ऑफ minus pi by 2. And what is the reason? Since theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so this implies that theta 2 minus theta 1 is equal to minus pi by 2. नाउ जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. cos 90 आपका क्या होता है 0 और sin 90 होता है 1 और क्योंकि माइनस है तो माइनस बाहर आ जाता है इसमें, तो आपके पास आएगा माइनस आयोटा इंटू 1. सो द आंसर इज माइनस आयोटा. ठीक है. सो हेंस प्रूव्ड, हमें यही प्रूव करना था. हेंस प्रूव्ड. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे आप मेंशन कर दिया करिए कि आपको किस टाइम पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है. टाइम जो बार आता है नीचे, सो दैट इट्स ईजी फॉर मी टू जस्ट डायरेक्टली गो एट दैट टाइम बार एंड गिव यू द सोल्यूशन. Okay, so the next question. Question number 25. So now we have some objective type questions. So question number 25 says that fill in the blanks of the following. So they are in the form of fill in the blanks. So the first part is for any two complex numbers z1 comma z2 and any real numbers a comma b, mod of a z1 minus b z2 square plus mod of b z1 plus a z2 square is equal to. So question number 25, first part. So you have to find the value of this. Plus b z1 plus a z2 का square. Okay. Now I will be using one formula, and that formula says that mod of a z1 plus, और in terms of minus ही मैं आपको बताती हूँ पहले, minus b z2 square is equal to, so this is equal to mod of a z1 square plus mod of b z2 square minus 2 times the real part of a z1 into b z2 conjugate. So this formula you have to keep in mind. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस साइन होता, अगर यहाँ पे प्लस साइन होता तो खाली यहाँ पे प्लस आ जाता एंड एवरीथिंग वुड हैव रिमेन सेम. ठीक है. तो रियल पार्ट ऑफ ए z1 इंटू बी z2 कॉन्जुकेट लेना है और आप इसको बड़ी इजीली प्रूफ भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको प्रूफ करना है तो इट्स वेरी इजी टू प्रूफ. मैं आपको प्रूफ बता देती हूँ इसका. सो लेट्स प्रूव. Let's prove this formula first so that the concepts are clear to you. That this is equal to minus twice real part of a z1 into b z2 conjugate. So consider z1 as x1 plus iota y1 and z2 as x2 plus iota y2. So first what we will do is we will substitute the value of z1 and z2 in this. So what I will get? ax1 plus iota times ay1 minus bx2 minus iota times by2. ठीक है. And this can be written as ax1 माइनस bx2, रियल पार्ट को मैंने एक साइड कर लिया, प्लस आयोटा टाइम्स ay1 माइनस by2. ठीक है. तो ये सारा मॉड और मॉड का भी स्क्वायर है ना. मॉड का मतलब क्या होता है? अंडर द रूट रियल पार्ट का स्क्वायर प्लस द स्क्वायर ऑफ द इमेजिनरी पार्ट. बट क्योंकि हमारे पास स्क्वायर है तो हम अंडर रूट नहीं लिखेंगे. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? आई विल गेट ax1 माइनस bx2 का स्क्वायर देन प्लस ay1 minus by2 का स्क्वायर विच इज़ इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर x1 स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर x2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab x1 x2 प्लस a स्क्वायर y1 स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर y2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab y1 by 2 विच इज़ इक्वल टू, अब क्योंकि जो जो मुझे कॉमन लग रहा है a स्क्वायर देन x1 स्क्वायर प्लस y1 स्क्वायर देन प्लस b स्क्वायर x2 स्क्वायर प्लस y2 स्क्वायर देन माइनस 2ab और फिर ब्रैकेट में x1 x2 प्लस y1 y2. अब now this is nothing but a square and x1 square plus y1 square is mod of z1 square, then plus b square, this is mod of z2 square, and minus twice of now ab into x1 x2 plus y1 y2. ये expression is nothing but real part of a z1 into b z2 conjugate. ये चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखनी है, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट मॉड ऑफ a z1 स्क्वायर प्लस मॉड ऑफ b z2 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रियल पार्ट ऑफ a z1 इंटू b z2 कॉन्जुगेट. जब आप ये वाला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर निकालोगे, इसका प्रोडक्ट लोगे a z1 b z2 कॉन्जुगेट, और उसका भी जब रियल पार्ट निकालोगे तो वो क्या आएगा, ए बी x1 x2 प्लस y1 y2. ये भी आप इजीली निकाल सकते हो, ठीक है. सो हेंस दिस फॉर्मूला विच आई गेव यू इज प्रूव्ड, दिस वन. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला. अगर यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है लाइक दिस, दिस इज द प्लस साइन, तो आपको यहाँ पे प्लस करना है एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम. So now let's do our question. So consider fill in the blanks करने हैं हमें. So mod of a z1 minus b z2 का स्क्वायर प्लस mod of b z1 plus a z2 का स्क्वायर. तो this can be written as, this is equal to mod of, or I can say a square mod of z1 square plus b square mod of z2 square minus twice real part of a z1 b z2 conjugate, okay, and then plus for the second expression you will have b square mod of z1 square plus a square mod of z2 square and plus twice real part of b z1 into a z2 conjugate, ठीक है. So this can be written as a square plus b square into mod of z1 square, then plus again a square plus b square mod of z2 square, and then you can see that these two expression are same, ठीक है, क्योंकि a और b तो आपके रियल नंबर्स हैं, तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे a इंटू बी. सो दिस विल गिव यू माइनस 2 रियल पार्ट ऑफ a इंटू बी z1 z2 कॉन्जुगेट. दिस एक्सप्रेशन विल गिव यू प्लस 2 रियल पार्ट ऑफ अगेन a इंटू बी z1 इंटू z2 कॉन्जुगेट. सो देयरफॉर आई कैन कैंसिल दीज टू, ठीक है. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, दिस थिंग यू विल गेट. So therefore again I can take common a square plus b square into mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square. So this is the correct answer, ठीक है. Now let's see the second part. The value of root of minus 25 into root of minus 9 is. So second part, you have to find the value of root of minus 25 into root of minus 9. Now root के अंदर माइनस साइन है, एंड इफ़ यू नो दैट रूट ऑफ -1 की वैल्यू होती है आयोटा, ठीक है। एंड व्हाट इज रूट 25? रूट 25 इज 5, ठीक है। सो दिस इज बेसिकली 5 iota and this is your 3 iota. So this is 15 iota square. Iota square is -1. So the answer is -15. Okay. Now let's see the third part. The number 1 minus iota whole cube divided by 1 minus iota cube is equal to. So 1 minus iota whole cube divided by 1 minus iota cube. So this is 1 minus iota whole cube divided by iota cube is minus iota. So first I will put the value. So you will get 1 minus iota whole cube divided by 1 plus iota. Now you have complex number in the denominator. So therefore I have to rationalize this. So I will say that this is this. Okay. And this can be written as 1 minus iota whole square into 1 minus iota whole square divided by 2. Now just open the bracket. You will get 1 plus iota square minus 2 iota and then 1 plus iota square minus 2 iota divided by 2. So iota square is -1. Put the value. So I am telling you one of the easiest methods. ये कैंसिल हो गया. So you will get 2 2s are 4. तो 4 iota square divided by 2 which is equal to 2 iota square. Iota square is -1. So the answer is -2. Okay. So next part says the sum of the series iota plus iota square plus iota cube plus up to, this is 1000 terms is. So don't be scared by seeing this question, because this question can be solved by a very easy trick. So you have to find iota plus iota square plus iota cube and so on up to 1000 terms. ठीक है. So 1000 terms means iota to the power 1000. Now this expression can be written as, so what I will do is I will combine the 4 terms. For example, I will combine first 4 terms, then I will combine the next 4 terms, and like this I will combine the 4 terms. So how many brackets you will get? So basically how many brackets? 1000 divided by 4. So this is 4 2s are 8. So 250 brackets. So up to 250 brackets. Okay. Now note one thing. What is iota to the power n plus iota to the power n plus 1 plus iota to the power n plus 2 plus iota to the power n plus 3. I can take common iota to the power n. So you will be left with 1 plus iota plus iota square plus iota cube. And inside the bracket you have 1 plus iota plus iota square is -1, iota cube is minus iota. Okay. So this and this cancels, this and this cancels. So that means the answer is 0. And this is true for all n. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली हर ब्रैकेट की जो वैल्यू है वो 0 है. पहला ब्रैकेट आप देखोगे आपके पास 0 आएगा. Iota will be cancelled with iota square. Then iota square is -1, iota to the power 4 is 1, both cancels out. Then iota cube is minus iota and this cancels out with plus iota. So like this all the brackets, मैंने in general आपको ये फॉर्मूला बता दिया. n can be anything. तो ये आपके 4 consecutive numbers हैं. n कहीं से भी स्टार्ट हो सकता है. n आपका 17 भी हो सकता है. तो you will have iota to the power 17 plus iota to the power 18 plus iota to the power 19 plus iota to the power 20. तो ये जो आप 4 consecutive लेंगे तो इनका सम 0 आएगा. So therefore this is 0 plus 0 plus 0 and so on. So the answer is 0. So this was the trick. Okay. So next part says that multiplicative inverse of 1 plus iota is. So fifth part, you have to find the multiplicative inverse of 1 plus iota. Okay. So it is 1 over 1 plus iota. But since you have a complex number in the denominator, so I can simplify this by rationalizing it. So I will multiply and I will divide by 1 minus iota. So this will become 1 minus iota divided by 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus iota divided by 2. So therefore the multiplicative inverse of 1 plus iota is 1 by 2 times 1 minus iota. So this is the right answer. Now the next part says if z1 and z2 are complex numbers such that z1 plus z2 is a real number, then z2 is equal to. Okay, so again a very important question. So given is that z1 and z2 are complex numbers such that z1 plus z2 is real. So first of all, you can let z1 be x1 plus iota y1 and z2 as x2 plus iota y2. Now what is z1 plus z2? This is x1 plus x2 plus iota times y1 plus y2. Okay, now we have that z1 plus z2 is real. Now since z1 plus z2 is real, so this implies that y1 plus y2 is equal to 0. So the imaginary part has to be 0. So this implies what? That y2 is equal to minus of y1. तो आपका जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर z2 है वो क्या बन गया? इट इज़ x2 माइनस आयोटा टाइम्स y1. हम इसको और पर्टिकुलर वे में क्या लिख सकते हैं? दैट अज्यूमिंग वी कैन अज्यूम सी x2 इज एनी रियल नंबर. जस्ट टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस आई कैन अज्यूम कि let x2 be equal to x1. So this is a particular case. Then z2 will become x1 minus iota y1, which is nothing but z1 conjugate. So I can say that this is one of the option. In terms of z1, z2 is equal to z1 conjugate. Okay. Now let's see next question. Next question says that next part. So we have now seventh part. Argument of z plus argument of z conjugate where z conjugate is not equal to 0 is. So let z be equal to. So this is your seventh part. So since we are talking about the argument, so I will write z in your polar form. So this is your z. So what is z conjugate? Z conjugate is r times cos theta minus iota sin theta, which can be written as r times cos of minus theta plus iota sin of minus theta. Why? Because cos minus theta is cos theta and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So what is argument of z? Argument of z is theta and argument of z conjugate is minus theta, and this implies what? That if you add these two, you will get that this is equal to theta plus minus theta, which is equal to 0. So 0 is the answer. Okay. Now next part, the eighth part says if mod of z plus 4 is less than or equal to 3, then the greatest and the least value of mod of z plus 1 are. तो आपको पहले greatest बतानी है और फिर आपको least बतानी है. So eighth part. So given is mod of z plus 4 is less than or equal to 3. So first of all, you consider mod of z plus 1. Now this thing can be written as in the form of this. So I can write this as z plus 4 minus 3. So this is my one complex number and this is my another complex number, because any real number is also a complex number having the imaginary part as 0. And what we will do is I use the formula. So you have to use the formula that mod of z1 minus z2 is less than or equal to mod of z1 plus mod of z2. Okay, so therefore mod of z plus 1, that is from here you get that this is mod of z plus 4 minus 3. तो ये आपका एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है z1 और ये आपका सेकेंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर z2. So I can say that this is less than or equal to mod of z plus 4 then plus mod of 3. Okay. Now mark this as 1. From 1 you have that this is less than or equal to 3 plus mod of 3 is 3 because 3 is positive. Mod of 3 is जो हमने मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन पढ़ा है, mod of any real number a. ठीक है, so mod of a is a if a is non-negative and mod of a is minus a if a is negative. So this is equal to 6. So that means mod of z plus 1 is less than or equal to 6. Okay. So therefore this is the greatest value. इससे बड़ा नहीं होगा. At the most it will be 6. और क्योंकि मॉडुलस है so therefore I have that mod of z plus 1 is always non-negative. क्योंकि मॉडुलस में हम क्या करते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर ऑफ द रियल पार्ट ऑफ z प्लस स्क्वायर ऑफ द इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ z. तो ये हमेशा क्या होता है, ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू 0. सो देयरफॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू इज, so greatest value is 6 and the least value is 0. So this is the answer. I hope the question is clear to you. Now next we have ninth part. If mod of z minus 2 divided by z plus 2 is equal to pi by 6, then the locus of z is. तो locus of z means आपको कोई equation मिलेगी involving z और आपको बताना है कि वो जो equation है वो क्या represent करता है, what figure does it represent. So ninth part. So given is mod of z minus 2 divided by z plus 2 is equal to pi by 6. So this implies I can write this as mod of z minus 2 divided by mod of z plus 2. ठीक है, तो मैंने mod को separate कर लिया because it is true and this implies, now you just cross multiply. So you will get 6 times this, pi times mod of z plus 2. Okay, now you square both the sides. So you will get 36 mod of z minus 2 square is equal to pi square mod of z plus 2 square. You will get, just put z equal to x plus iota y. So you will get this thing. This is equal to pi square mod of x plus iota y plus 2 mod square. This implies 36 mod of x minus 2 plus iota phi square is equal to pi square. Then mod of x plus 2 plus iota y mod square. Now just take the mod. So you will get 36 times square है तो x minus 2 square plus y square is equal to pi square, then x plus 2 whole square plus y square. Now you just have to simplify this expression. So we have, this implies 36 times you have x minus 2 का whole square. So therefore this will become x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square is equal to pi square. Then you have x plus 2 का square, so x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square. Okay, now this implies, so I can write this as 36 minus pi square times x square, then plus 36 minus pi square times y square, then plus I have 36 into 4, so 36 into 4 is 6 4s are 24, 4 3s are 12, 144. So this will be plus 144, then minus 144x, then take those terms on the left hand side, so you will get minus pi square or 4 pi square, then minus 4 pi square x equal to 0. So this implies 36 minus pi square times x square plus 36 minus pi square times y square. Then here, from here I can take minus x common, so you will get 144 plus 4 pi square, then plus 144 minus 4 pi square equal to 0. And now you can write this as divide throughout by 36 minus pi square, so x square plus y square minus 144 plus 4 pi square divided by 36 minus pi square times x, then plus 144 minus 4 pi square divided by 36 minus pi square. So this is equal to 0. Now you can see that this is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So which represents a circle. So which represents equation of a circle. ठीक है, so हमें locus find करना था. Satisfying that, so therefore it came out to be a circle. Okay, now next part. So next we have the 10th part. If mod of z is equal to 4 and argument of z is equal to 5 pi by 6, then z is equal to. Very easy question. Given है आपके पास mod of z is equal to 4 and argument of z is equal to 5 pi by 6. तो आपको पता है पोलर फॉर्म के अंदर हमें यही दो चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं. सो mod z into cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this becomes 4 times cos of 5 pi by 6 plus iota sin of 5 pi by 6. So now first of all see that 5 pi by 6 lies in the second quadrant. So here it will lie, theta will lie here somewhere here. ठीक है, so this is some theta which is 5 pi by 6 because it is less than pi. So basically I can write this as cos of pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. So this becomes this thing. Now what is in the second quadrant? Your cos is negative, so this will give you minus cos of pi by 6 plus iota sine of pi by 6, and sine of pi minus pi by 6 is sine pi by 6. So this will be equal to, now cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so therefore you'll get minus root 3 by 2 plus iota sine 30 is half. So therefore this becomes 2 can be taken out, so you'll get 2 times minus root 3 plus iota, or this can be written as minus 2 root 3 plus 2 iota. Okay, so this is the polar form of z. So I hope you are liking the videos. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.